got the other one. I said it was a chocolate brownie.
I just found my little brother's Whiskers chocolate brownie cat.
$5.45.
Looks like Sylvester from videos. Okay, Christopher, stop. Hey, Christopher, leave him alone. Leave him alone.
Wait a minute.
No. Stop. You're making him uncomfortable.
Oh yeah.
Bye, guys.